Hey, welcome back to ClearSpot. One solar panel at a 100 megawatt portfolio became internet famous. Thermal drone captured it operating 40 degrees Celsius hotter than neighbors. Image went viral. This panel is on fire, literally. Millions of views. News outlets picked it up. The panel wasn't failing, sensor malfunction, but the story was golden. Result? Site got international attention. Contractor got embarrassed. Today, I'm showing how viral panel stories reveal real problems hiding in data. Most operators assume outliers are sensor noise. One panel running 40 degrees Celsius hotter than average? Probably a bad sensor. One string underperforming 8%? Probably shading. Outliers get ignored because they're assumed to be false alarms. But thermal science says outliers usually mean something. A panel running 40 degrees Celsius hotter is a real failure mode. Potential microcrack, cell degradation, or electrical short. Dismissing it as sensor noise means waiting until it actually fails. Meanwhile, an image of one flaming panel went viral because it was obviously wrong. When something is visually obvious to the public, but invisible to SCADA, you have a detection problem. You're thinking, one hot panel isn't a big deal. The portfolio is producing 95%. Sure. But that 95% is masking the 5% from panels like your viral hot one. When you ignore individual panel anomalies, you miss 5 to 10% annual production losses distributed across thousands of panels. One hot panel might cost 5 TB per round year. Times 100 hot panels in your portfolio, that's 500,000 pounds a year. But you won't see it in SCADA because averages hide it. Here's how to catch the viral panels before they go viral on the internet. Step 1. Deploy thermal drone monthly, not annually. Capture full portfolio thermal signature. Step 2. Identify outliers. Any panel running mortively 5 degrees Celsius hotter than neighbors gets flagged. Step 3. Cross-reference with SCADA data. Is the hot panel also underperforming electrically? If yes, real problem. If no, sensor issue in thermal data. Step 4. Calculate cost of each outlier. If a panel costs $50 to replace, but is losing $200 per year, it's worth replacing. If it's losing $20 per year, accept it. Step 5. Implement predictive maintenance. Track hot panels monthly. When they cross failure threshold, replace proactively instead of reactively. We've covered how outlier panels hide in SCADA averages and how monthly thermal monitoring catches them before they become viral internet stories and real production losses. Your portfolio has viral-ready panels right now. Individual panels costing $500 to $1 million in annual losses while SCADA hides them. But you won't see this in reports until a drone captures it and it goes viral on social media. Schedule a free outlier detection audit. Monthly thermal drone data plus outlier identification plus cost quantification. Identify every panel costing you money individually. For most 100 megawatt portfolios, this reveals $300,000 to $800,000 in individual panel losses that SCADA completely misses. Book your audit. First 20 operators get a detailed outlier heat map. One solar panel became internet famous because it was obviously broken in thermal image. Your SCADA missed it completely because it averaged across 500,000 panels. Outliers hide in averages. Here's how thermal monitoring catches individual panel failures. Take action now. Schedule your free outlier detection audit. Monthly thermal imaging plus outlier identification plus cost mapping. Individual panel thermal analysis, outlier flagging system, predictive failure detection. Recovery roadmap, $300,000 to $800,000 for 100 megawatts. Book today. First 20 operators get outlier heat map. Like, share, and subscribe for more solar insights. ClearSpot, smart device, smarter decisions.